Hello, people. So, you know what? As of yesterday was a very productive, somewhat productive day for me. Yeah, pretty much because when you finally get down to cooking something, as in when your little pet is also very appreciative of what you make, it feels so special. Yeah. So yeah, yesterday I made these like a jeera roti, thing, but it came out really well. And right now also I'm hungry. I'll go and make something. But I always feel like I have to do this recording, and then I also want to write about so many these books that I've read. Yeah, वो भी करना है. But yeah, we'll do it. So really, people, it's just fun catching up like this. And of course, I do this palm reading session, and I also put up a post on Instagram every day. But yeah, doing this is also important. I don't know whether I'll upload it, but yeah, let's see. So anyway, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.